Hello friend. Today I brought you a great ad. On Thanksgiving Day, we express gratitude toward God for the plentiful gifts in our lives. As we assemble with loved ones to praise this period of liberality, expectation, and appreciation, we honor America's establishing conventions of confidence, family, and kinship, and offer gratitude for the standards of opportunity, freedom, and majority rule system that make our nation remarkable throughout the entire existence of the world. So if you want to apply this to your ad, go to the link in the description below and download this ad. Thanksgiving Day is a public occasion in the United States, and Thanksgiving 2020 happens on Thursday, November 26th. In 1621, the Plymouth pilgrims and Wampanoag Native Americans shared a fall reap feast that is recognized today as one of the principal Thanksgiving festivities in the settlements. For over 2 centuries, long stretches of Thanksgiving were commended by singular provinces and states. It wasn't until 1863, amidst the Civil War, that President Abraham Lincoln declared a public Thanksgiving Day to be held every November. Effectively make magnificent showcasing recordings to assist you with developing your business online with this delightful advertising video layout. Use Promo's award-winning online video maker and editor to make high-quality videos using professional footage and ready-made templates like this one. Add your content and logo. Choose from millions of premium stock footage clips, top-notch photographs, and sovereignty-free music in the Promo library, or transfer your own substance. You can use to your work, as you like this ad. So if you want to apply this to your ad, go to the link in the description below and download this ad. Thank you for watching my video. I think this channel is very interesting for you. If you have questions, comment please. Have a nice day.